The shoe-billed stork, Balaniceps rex, also known as the whale-headed stork, is a fascinating bird found in the marshes of tropical East Africa, particularly in countries like Uganda, Zambia, Tanzania, and South Sudan.
Although the current scientific theory is that birds are descendants of dinosaurs, not everyone believes it, and that's okay. But we like to think that today's subject is an excellent example of how birds can remind us shoebills could even be called B. rex, thanks to their fantastic scientific name.
Shoebills are known for their remarkable patience and stealth when hunting. They often stand motionless for extended periods, blending in with their surroundings as they wait for prey to come within striking distance. This patience allows them to conserve energy while maximizing their hunting success.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring the fascinating shoebill bird. Fact number 1. The shoebill bird is a large, prehistoric-looking creature native to Africa. Fact number 2. It is known for its distinctive shoe-shaped bill, hence its name.